You can finally upload your own custom thumbnails to a YouTube short, an actual image you choose, not just a frame pulled from the YouTube short. It's rolling out in beta right now, and desktop is included, so you might already have it. If not, we'll let you know the second it's out for everyone. And I want to give a big thanks to a friend of the channel, Doug Houston, for the heads up on this feature, and we'll have his video linked at the end of this one. Whether you're making a YouTube Shorts thumbnail or a normal YouTube thumbnail, you're going to want a thumbnail that makes people stop and click wherever your video shows up. That's where TubeSpanner comes in. Whether it's shorts, long form, whatever you're posting, you can build a YouTube thumbnail in a couple of minutes for free. Speaking of free, we have a TubeSpanner free trial link in the description, so go try it for yourself after Danielle shows you how to make these custom thumbnails. Danielle is the CEO and creator of TubeSpanner, so who better to learn from? Danielle, take it away.
Thanks, Andrew. Here's how you can make a YouTube Shorts thumbnail in TubeSpanner. It's a brand new feature. So from the dashboard in TubeSpanner, which is where most people will land after signing in, you've got two ways to create a new thumbnail. You've got several ways, but from here, we're going to either use the Create button, where we can create thumbnails. We've got a shortcut right here to go to the thumbnail gallery, or in the side menu, we can go to the Create Thumbnail dropdown and create thumbnail from templates. So for this one, I'm going to start from a template, and I'm going to click on Thumbnail Templates. Now, when this first opens, it's going to be our widescreen templates. These are the templates for standard formatted videos. However, for this video, we want to do a Shorts thumbnail. So I'm going to filter by Shorts, and you can see we've already got a few templates that you can use right here. Now, you can start from a blank, or you can use a stock template. So I'm just going to pick a simple template, and I'm going to click Use this template. It's face reaction, pretty generic for the sort of shorts format we're going to use, and I'm going to open it up. And right away, there's our shorts template. So from here, we can now edit the text to anything we like. We can change the picture, which I suggest you do because this isn't you. Don't even know who that is. If it is you, hi, but it's not. So we can put a new picture in. We can change the backgrounds, and we can change the colors. Anything that you would normally do in a fairly typical art tool. So for example, if I want to change the text, you want to say, and let's make it an exclamation as well. And we want to put change the color on the background. So I click on the background color, and I want to make that, let's make that a gradient instead. Look, it's currently static purple. So I'm going to enable gradients, and I'm going to put a purple gradient in there. I'm going to make it radial, and I'm going to put a bit of feathering in so it looks like we've got some nice blended colors in there. Simple as that. You can upload your own photos, you can change the backgrounds, anything you like. So that's quickly how you create your thumbnail. Then from here, you can download it as a PNG or a JPEG, which is ideal for YouTube. You can save it, so you can either then add it in the TubeSpanner extension or save it for later for doing more edits, or even make your own templates. And you're off to the races. So share it with us at TubeSpanner on all your favorite social networks. We would love to see what you can do. Might even be a cheeky prize for our favorites. Let us know. Share. Come and do it. Can't wait to see it.